Hello and welcome to Schrodinger's cat and myself, their brother. So, in our previous lecture, we had discussed the quadratic equation from class 12, and in the today's lecture, I will teach you the topic named Continuity and Differentiability from class 12. So, we'll do the chapter summary in a nutshell and previous year problem so that you can increase your problem solving skill and know how to approach the problems. And I think after solving the problems, you will be able to do all types of problem coming in JEE Main and Advanced Mathematics. So we just here cover the continuity, differentiability, differentiation of inverse, implicit parametric function, a function with respect to another function, logarithmic function, and composite function. Next one, the Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem. And the total number of questions are coming from the JEE Main and Advanced, that 2 or 3 questions, in advance 2 questions. So let's get started. So that first of all, our continuity and differentiability. So rule for finding limit, that limit x tends to infinity or tend to infinity, fx, replace x, this is the rule, replace x by 1 by y, take new limit as y tends to 0, right hand limit RHL, that limit x tends to a plus fx, that replace x by a plus h and take new limit at h tends to 0, and also for the left hand limit. Next, limit of a function, that limit x tends to a, fx is equal to L if limit x tends to a plus, fx is equal to limit x tends to a minus, fx, that is equal to L. This is the left hand limit equal to the right hand limit. Next, the continuity. Continuity means continuity at a point. Mathematically defined as fx is a continuous at x equal to a if limit x tends to a plus, fx is equal to limit x tends to a minus, fx is equal to function at the point x equal to a, if a. This is the continuity at any point. Next, continuity in an interval. So fx is defined of a closed interval AB. This is the closed interval. So first one, fx is continuous at a, that if limit x tends to a plus, fx is equal to fa, and continuous at b, that if limit x tends to b minus, fx is equal to fb. This is the condition. Next part, the differentiability. The differentiability, first one, the right hand derivative. As soon as the limit case, right hand derivative. That limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. This is written as or r f dash a. Next, the left hand derivative, that limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h minus f a divided by minus h. This is written or left L f dash a. This is the left hand derivative. So a function fx is said to be the differentiable. A function fx is said the differentiable at x equal to a if the condition right hand derivative r f dash a is equal to the left hand derivative, that L f dash a. This is the condition. So now we go ahead our next topic, that the Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem. First of one, the Rolle's theorem. If f is a function defined, f is a function defined at closed interval ab such that on f is continuous at closed interval ab, and also the differentiable we just discussed earlier in obviously ab, differentiable written in the bracket, that this one ab, and the function third property fa equal to fb. These three conditions should be hold. Then there exists a real number c in open interval such that f dash equal to 0. This is the theorem. I just write in the language form. Then there exists a real number c in open interval a b such that f dash c, first order derivative of this function at the point real number c is 0. And the geometrical significance, so existence of a real number, this is the geometrical representation. The real number c belongs to an open interval ab, open interval sign, such that the f dash c equal to 0 shows that the tangent to the curve at x equal to c has a slope 0. I just write in language form. the geometrical representation that tangent to the curve at x equal to c had slope means m dy dx is equal to 0, that is parallel to x axis, parallel to x axis. This is the representation that graphically this is the origin x and the y axis. Suppose this one point A, this is point B. Suppose C be a point in the middle. This is A, B and this C. So this is the function of FA, this is the function of FB, this is the function of FC. So parallel line, this one. This is FC minus H and here that is FC plus H. Next one, Lagrange mean value theorem. Lagrange mean value theorem states that if f be a real function such that same as the Rolle theorem, fx continuous, fx continuous on AB. Next one, fx also differentiable on open interval AB. This is closed interval. Then this is two condition. And the states that this one is final outcome. Here, the final outcome that there exists a real number C that belongs the open interval AB such that f dash C is equal to function of B minus function of A divided by B minus A. This is the statement and the geometrical significance. So f dash C slope of chord AB tangent to the curve y equal to fx at a point x equal to c. This is parallel to the chord AB. Here the significance is parallel to x axis and here parallel to the chord. This is the parallel to the chord. Graphically that x and the y. Suppose this is a chord that AB. This is point A, FA and here the point B, FB. So this is x equal to A, x equal to C, x equal to B. So here the f dash C means slope m, slope means m, that dy dx, mathematical representation of chord AB. This is the geometrical representation of the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Next one, that very important, that some functions we just discuss the some important functions to deduce this type of differentiation or the continuity. So first one, the even function. Y equal to fx is even if f of minus x equal to fx, and the even function of the graph symmetric about the y-axis. This is the symmetric about y-axis. Next, the odd function. So f of minus x equal to minus fx, and this is the symmetric about origin, very important. This is the geometrical representation. Symmetric about origin. And the linear combination of even or odd function, that y equal to fx plus f of minus x, this is always even, belongs to 2n. And the periodic function. Periodic function means that f of x plus t is equal to fx. This is the condition where t be the period. Next, the undefined function. Undefined function means some of example like 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity, infinity into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 to the power 0, infinity to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, infinity to the power infinity. These forms would like the undefined function. And function of a function. Function of function. This is that function of f of g of x, which is obtained by replacing gx by x in the function fx, that I just write, which obtained by replacing gx by x in the function fx. And now we just discuss graph of some function. Suppose y equal to x, mod x by x, sin x, cos x, tan x, x square plus minus root x, e to the power plus minus x, log x, and the box x. We all just discussed. We had been discussed these functions in our play with graph chapters. Just look upon this topic. So we skip this part. Next, that some important topic like monotonic function. So increasing function. First one, the increasing. Increasing, just symbol this one. So a function fx is said to be increasing in the function fx, increasing in the interval, closed interval ab, the condition if x1 less than x2 and fx1 less than fx2 for all x1 x2 belongs to closed interval ab. This is the definition of the increasing function. Next, the decreasing. Noun word. A function fx is said to be decreasing function is an open interval AB that if and only if x1 less than x2 and mind it fx1 is greater than fx2 for all values of x1 x2 belongs to closed interval AB. This is the definition of the decreasing function. And we now switched lecture into problem discussion session. First one is coming the JEE Main 2021. It says that let f such that R to R be defined as fx these three function for x less than 2, x greater than 2 and x equal to 2, where box s is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. This is box s greatest integer function GIF. If f is continuous at x equal to 2, then you have to find the value of lambda plus mu equal to what? So, since fx is continuous at x equal to 2, so we have to write by the definition that limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus fx, that is equal to f at x equal to 2. So, the left hand limit LHL, calculate limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus lambda by minus, this is given, 2 minus means this negative, this is mod x minus 3 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 2, that is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus lambda divided by minus mu, that is x minus 3 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 2, that is equal to what? Minus lambda by mu. Next one, the right hand limit, that limit x tends to 2 positive fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus e to the power tan x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, that is equal to what? E, because tan x by x, limit x tends to 0 tan x by x, this use this formula. So f2 we given what? Mu, that imply. So left hand limit, that is equal to f2, that is equal to right hand limit, that implies that minus lambda by mu is equal to what? Mu is equal to what? The function of 2f2, that is equal to what? E. So, or lambda equal to minus e square and mu equal to e. So, you have to find the lambda plus mu. What? Minus e square plus e. E should be common here. So, 1 minus e. So, I just write e minus e plus 1. A would be your correct answer. E common minus e plus 1. Next. JEE Main 2024 recent question. Let for a differentiable function f such that 0 infinity to r fx minus fy greater equal to log x by y plus x minus y for all x and y belongs to 0 infinity. So you have to find the value sum over x 1 to 20 f dash of 1 by x square equal to what? So given function that fx minus fy greater equal to log x by y plus x minus y, that implies that fx minus fy divided by x minus y, that get are equal to, I just log x by y, that log x minus log y divided by x minus y plus 1. Let x greater than y. So limit y tends to x, f dash x negative, x minus, that get are equal to 1 plus x plus 1. This is equation number 1. And for x less than y, that limit y tends to x, f dash x positive less equal to 1 plus x, 1 by x plus 1. This is equation number 2. And here given that f is differentiable in 0 to infinity. F is differentiable at 0 infinity. So that implies that f dash x minus is equal to f dash x plus. So now fx equal to what? F dash x 1 by x plus 1, and the f dash 1 by x square equal to what? X square plus 1. Just do derivative of first and 2, and therefore you have to find the x 1 to 20 f dashed 1 by x square. Just put this value equal to what? Summation x1 to 20 x square plus summation of 1. This is equal to what? 20 into 21 into 41 divide by, just put this value here, by 6 with denominator plus 20 for n equal to 20. And after calculate this term, you get 2890. This is a NAT type of question, numerical answer type. So you have to write the answer 2890. So this would be your answer. Next, question number 3 is also this previous year questions of 2018. Says that if x equal to root over 2 to the power cos inverse t and y equal to root over 2 to the power sec inverse t, mod t greater equal to 1, you have to find the dy dx of this function. That x equal to given root over 2 to the power cosec inverse t and y equal to root over 2 to the power sec inverse t. So here first of all dx dt. So root x, derivative 1 by 2 root x, 2 root over 2 to the power cosec inverse t into 2 to the power cosec inverse t as it is into differentiation of cosec inverse t, that minus 1 by x root over x square minus 1, that log 2 coming because inverse function 1 by s log x, and minus 1 by root over x into x square minus 1, and y equal to given 2 to the power sec inverse t. So as it is dy dt, that would be 1 by 2 root 2 to the power sec inverse t into 2 to the power sec inverse t log 2 1 by x root over x square minus 1. Now you have to find the dy dx. dy dx means dy dt divided by dx dt. Just put this value. So minus root over 2 to the power cosec inverse t into 2 to the power sec inverse t divided by root over 2 to the power sec inverse t 2 to the power cosec inverse t. That would become what? Minus common root over 2 to the power sec inverse t divided by 2 to the power cosec inverse t. That just put this value here. Here should be x square equal to 2 to the power cosec inverse t, and root and square would be vanished, so it would be minus y by x. Option B would be correct. Minus y by x. Go ahead. Question number 4, recent type questions coming in JEE Main 2024 says that if log y equal to 3 sin inverse x, then 1 minus x square y double dashed minus xy dashed at x equal to half is equal to what? Y double dashed means dy dx means capital D square. D means y dashed means f dashed x means dy dx means y1. This is the form. So ln y equal to 3 sin inverse x. So differentiate with respect to x, that 1 by y dy dx is equal to 3 by root over 1 minus x square, or root over 1 minus x square y dash equal to 3y. Again, differentiate with respect to x both side. That would become root over 1 minus x square y double dashed plus y dashed 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into minus 2x equal to 3y dashed. That implies that 1 minus x square y double just calculation, that 3y dashed into 1 minus x square to the power half. Next, given at x equal to half, put this value. So y equal to what? E to the power pi by 2. That means y dashed equal to 2 root 3 e to the power pi by 2. Therefore, 1 minus x square y double dashed equal to 1 minus x square y double dashed minus x y dashed, that is equal to 3 into 2 root 3 e to the power pi by 2. This would be what? Root 3 by 2. This would be what? Root 3 by 2. So equal to 9 e to the power pi by 2. 9 e to the power pi by 2. C would be our correct answers. Last questions. Question number 5. Recent type of questions coming in JEE Main 2024 says that if y theta equal to 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta with the denominator cos 3 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta plus 5 cos theta plus 2, then at theta equal to pi by 2, you have to find the value of y double dash plus y dash plus y equal to what? So, given y equal to 2 cos theta plus cos 2 theta with the denominator cos 3 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta plus 5 cos theta plus 2. Here we use the cos 2 theta and cos 3 theta formula. So cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 2 cos theta minus 1, and the cos theta 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta plus as it is 8 cos square theta minus 4 plus 5 cos theta plus 2, that is equal to, solve this. So 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus 1, and the denominator 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus 1 within bracket, and another one 2 cos theta plus 2. Solve this and you would get that imply y equal to 1 by, this is cut out, cancel, 2 cos theta plus 2, or this equal to half, common here, 1 divided by cos theta plus 1. That would be what? 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2 with inverse 2 sec square theta by 2. That means half into half, 1 by 4 sec square theta by 2. So y at theta equal to pi by 2. What? 1 by 4 into 2, that is 2. 1 by 4 into 2, that is half. Okay. Next, first order derivative of this function y dashed, that equal to 1 by 4, just do derivative, sec theta by 2 into sec theta by 2 tan theta by 2 into half. Just do derivative of this function, this one, and the y dashed at theta equal to pi by 2, that would be what? Half into 2 into half. This would be half. Next, again derivative, second times, differentiating second times, dashed y dashed, half should be common here, half should be common here, 2 sec theta by 2. Just a minute, plugged charger on my laptop. Okay, fine. 2 sec theta by 2 into sec theta by 2 into tan theta by 2 plus half sec square theta by 2 into sec square theta by 2 as it is. Just do differentiate of the function 1s and 2. This is the one function, y equal to 1 by 4 sec square theta by 2. So again y double dashed at theta equal to pi by 2. What would be 1? Put this theta pi by 2, you would be get 1. So therefore you have to find this result, y double dashed plus y dashed plus y, that is equal to what? Y double dashed means at theta by 2, at theta equal to pi by 2, there should be 1. Okay, and the y dashed half, and the y half, so half 1 plus 1 2 would be our correct answer, option D. So we just discussed here 5 questions, and for your better practice concept and just clarification of the problem numerical, I usually give you 5 homework. You just pause video and take a screenshot quickly. So I think you just take a screenshot of another 5 problems. So we just discussed the 10 important problem coming in the JEE Main and Advanced, and I think after solving this problem you will be able to go through the all over the problems coming in this chapter of the JEE Main and Advanced previous year questions. So I think this would be the helpful to you. So last but not the least, in the contact section, they have solved this homework. And if anyone needs the file of my YouTube lecture and of the study material, just mail without no hesitation with this ID catschrodingers1935 @gmail.com. So last but not the least, so thank you very much. Stay well and happy. Have a good day. Okay. See you.